From VOA Learning English, this is the Education Report. 500 young African leaders are taking part in a United States government program at American universities this summer. They will study civic leadership, public management, and business. Fauzia Abdikadir of Kenya is among the young people. She spoke to VOA about her goals and the goals of her group in Kenya, the Northern Organization for Social Empowerment. She said she wants to improve healthcare and development in a northeastern part of the country. Ms. Abdikadir comes from a family of traveling animal herders in Garissa. Garissa has failed to develop as quickly as the rest of the country. Ms. Abdikadir hopes the Northern Organization can change that. The people of northeastern Kenya have depended for centuries on their animals. Families are always moving in search of water and food for the animals. This way of life limits modern education and health care. People have to walk far to reach schools or health centers. Ms. Abdikadir says she wants to make agriculture a way of life in her community. She believes settling permanently and planting crops would provide a better future. She says there is very productive land where she comes from, and she says the youth of the area need to be empowered. Ms. Abdikadir will receive 6 weeks of training in the U.S. She will also work for 2 months in civic leadership. The Washington Fellowship for Young African Leaders is part of President Obama's Young African Leaders Initiative. The attendees will receive money to support their plans and organizations after they complete the program. For VOA Learning English, I'm Laurel Bowman.